What are you doing, my bub? Is somebody eating his grilled cheese dinner? Huh? You eating grilled cheese dinner? Somebody feathery's eating his grilled cheese dinner. He says, Mom, this is delicious. This is delicious, Mom. Yes, Mom, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying it, Mom. This is very tasty, Mom. Yeah. This is so very tasty. Yeah. He's a precious one. Oh, he says, Mom, I'm busy eating, Mom. I'm busy eating, Mom. I'm eating, Mom. Mom, I'm eating. I'm eating, Mom. You're so cute. Oh, he's adorable. Are you really enjoying it, sweetie pie? He says,